They finally reached out to me, y'all. The top wig bloggers have reviewed this company. I don't know what happens to the bobby pins. Oh snap! Sniggity, 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 snap. Some wigs be beginner friendly and they look beginner made. Now let's see this wig. Oh, now this is cute. What is up, beautiful people? It's your girl Mary Kay. Today I am going to be reviewing my first wig from my first wig. my first wig. Y'all give it. You know, the company My First Wig. Okay, I have seen this company everywhere. Like all of the top wig bloggers have reviewed this company, and I was like, they gonna reach out to me. And they finally did. They finally reached out to me, y'all. I was so stoked. I was like, oh snap. Sniggity, 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 snap. The process of how I install will be at the end. Y'all know how I roll. Listen, before I show you the goodies, y'all make sure y'all hit that subscribe button and then hit the bell notification so that you know when I post, okay? Also, let me give it up for the subscriber of the day. Bam. You the bomb. Okay, y'all, so let me just get into this. Now, I don't know if you guys have seen any of the My First Wig videos, but their purpose is to be beginner friendly. So, but they want you to have the quality, okay? Some wigs be beginner friendly and they look beginner made. Hopefully that's not the case. I have not seen that to be the case, so, but anyways. So it came with this, this is like a wig stand. It's supposed to be, ooh. Oh snap. Now this is cute. Look at the little bag, y'all. Hold on, let me find out I got something up in here. Something off up in here. You have the instructions here. And it tells you exactly what you receive. You receive one wig carrier bag, one rat tail comb, ooh, one foldable wig stand, which is what I just showed you, one polyester wig cap, 2 hair clips, and 1 bobby pin. So this is my little bag. The bobby pins. You can always use more bobby pins, honey, because you can buy 10 million of them things, and by next week you'll have 17 left. I don't know what happens to the bobby pins. Rat tail comb. I love me a rat tail comb. Okay, let me think. Okay, ooh, I like these clips. Heavy duty, get the hair out your face clip. That was in my goodie bag. Now let's see this wig. Oh, wait. Fly away, tamer. Oh, now this is cute. This wig bag is really cute, y'all. These gifts really do make it easier for a beginner. Wig cap. I'm not going to use a black wig cap. I never do. So that's that. Now, I got the Kinky Straight 20-inch natural color cap size 1. Cap size 1 is for 21.5 to 22 inches. That's my domology, okay? So if that's your circumference, you are cap size 1. Now this is a UPART wig. I'm about to blow my hair out so I can give it my, you know, good trim. So this is a great time to utilize this wig because I'm gonna have to blend my own hair with this wig. So, ooh. Oh, this is legit, honey. So that's the U part. This part will be cut out and I'm gonna show you. It has 2 combs on the outer edge of the U part, and that is to give you a nice snug fit. And then it has 2 combs on the perimeter. Now you can see from the positioning of the combs that this wig is made to be a side part. Otherwise the U part would be more in the middle in between these 2 combs. Ooh, and it's my good side too, because you know I like right side parts. I like right parts. So that's great. So it has the elastic band and it also has an adjustable strap. And it has a comb in the back. Okay? Now, I am interested to see how this is going to lie on my head because there's no comb right here. And ideally, a comb right here would really give it a good snug fit around that U part. But we'll see. Maybe I don't need it. I don't know. But if I do need something there, I'll probably end up using the bobby pins. Maybe that's what the bobby pins are for. So I don't know. So yeah, okay, I'm excited. So I'm about to go apply this wig. Okay, all right, y'all, hold on.
A little bit stronger. Oh, wish I didn't have to go and close the door. Imagine you without me shakes me to the core. Oh, yeah. And you find another beautiful flower, and I go ahead and compare myself to her. So why even bother? We can't go back to what we were. Goodbye, my love. Our time is up. God knows we tried. This is our last goodbye. Goodbye, my love. Our time is up. God knows we tried. This is our last goodbye. Stronger. Oh, ooh, wish I didn't have to go and close the door. Imagine you without me shakes me to the core. Oh, and you find another beautiful flower, and I go ahead compare myself to her. But I'm like no other, so why do I bother? We can't go back to what we were. Goodbye, my love. Our time is up. God knows we tried. This is our last goodbye. Goodbye, my love. Our time is up. God knows we tried. This is our last goodbye. This is our last goodbye. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Guess the door's down. This is our last goodbye. Goodbye, my love. God knows we tried. Yeah. Our time is up. Our time is up. This is our last goodbye. This is our last goodbye. Ooh yeah, ooh yeah, ooh yeah. Last goodbye. Ooh yeah,
All right, beautiful people, this is the final result. Y'all, I love this wig. I love this wig. Like, I seriously love this wig. It's so natural. It feels like natural hair. I didn't want to do like a full out press on my hair, so I just blew my hair out lightly. For those of you who don't know, my natural hair is really fine, so I don't like to put like massive amounts of heat on it. I did a pin back because it looks so natural to me. So I'm really excited. I'm about to go take some pictures. Y'all know how I do. I will have all this information in the description box, what you need to get your hands on this wig. I got you. If y'all can't tell, I like this wig. Love it, love it. I'm finna be ignorant, okay? I'm just letting y'all know. I'm so feeling this. I love it. And in the meantime, in between time, I wish y'all all peace, love, and light. Bye.